Hello and happy Cinco de Mayo. Today, we making guacamole. So I got my avocados, tomatoes, got half an onion, some garlic, some lime juice again. And for those of you who said in the last video, we got cilantro now, baby. We back! There's a cool technique with this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get it in there. You just kind of work it around the pit. Oh yeah, these are definitely right. Twist off. And then, you know, a little bit of that brown stuff and scoop that out. And you use the back of it, score it, and then literally you can just squeeze it right into your bowl like that. Pretty easy. I'm gonna do that with the rest of them. And then with the seed, go ahead, put it in there. Oh, yep, twist it out. I'm not cut, don't worry. Okay, now that we got our avocados in the bowl, now we're gonna slice our tomatoes. Rinse them real quick again. Boom. I'm gonna try to keep them smaller this time, okay? I know there's a couple y'all commenting, you know, not on the comment section, but you know, let me know personally that they was looking a little big, so I got y'all. All right, now see, slice nice and small, a lot more even, all right? So I don't want to hear nothing. They're small. And we're gonna add them to our avocado here. You go ahead and cut it. Alright, now that you got your cilantro picked fresh off the vine, we're gonna chop it up. And you know, there's a little technique where if you roll them together, it chop up a little bit easier. So we gotta roll them. Alright, now that you got it chopped up, we're gonna take this, we're gonna throw that up in. Scrape that up, put it in there. Boom. Oh yeah. Now we got our jalapeno pepper. We're gonna chop this bad boy up. Get these out the way. What's cool about the santoku is you can kind of slice it like that. We can get it open, and you can go around that. Move that out the way. Put your fingers here. So you can take out the middle part, because a lot of people don't realize this, but the seed part is where most of the hotness is. So you get the seeds out, you can just chop that. Chop your onion. By the way, I already had this half from a previous video. Now we're gonna dump it. All we used, by the way, was a quarter of an onion. Spoonful of garlic. There's only a little bit because, you know, I like garlic. So get you a spoonful of garlic. And then I added a little bit of cayenne pepper to it already. And quite a few squeezes of lime juice. Douse it. Like gasoline. Just a touch of salt. By the way, if your avocados weren't super soft like mine, feel free to grab a good potato masher and just just hit them with that a little bit. Definitely helps. But mine were super soft, so it's not even necessary for this. But we're gonna take our spoon. We're gonna mix this all up, man. Gonna mix it all in there. When you cut your avocados, make sure to save at least one of these seeds, because when you put this in the bowl with your guacamole on top, it's actually going to keep it from turning brown faster. So easy tip, if this isn't going to last, or if this is going to last longer than a day for you, put this in there. It's going to keep it fresher for longer. So now we go ahead and grab a chip, give it the official taste test. Brand new bag of chips. Here we go. Oh yeah, man. Very good. Highly recommend it. So if you like this guacamole, go ahead and give it a try. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, share with your family, and go ahead and check the description box below for any other details containing the guacamole. Also, look out down there. You can also subscribe to my newsletter where you get content about cooking, content about recipes, and content about the products I use with discounts here and there. So, yeah, go ahead and have an awesome day and eat up, baby.